Hello, everyone. I am Miss Abigail, and today I will teach you 11th grade chemistry. So without any further ado, let's get into the lesson. Ever wonder why water sticks together in a drop instead of just flying apart like the air around us? It's not a magic trick, it's an attraction. Today, we're going to learn intermolecular forces, or IMFs. These are the invisible glues that hold molecules together. Now, since this lesson has multiple topics, we're going to split this lesson up into sections. Right now, we are in section 1, intramolecular versus intermolecular. First, don't get intra confused with inter, because your answer will be incorrect if you do. Intramolecular forces are the bonds within a molecule, such as covalent or ionic bonds. They represent the marriage within the molecular structure. Intermolecular forces are the attractions between separate molecules. They are the friendships. Friendships are generally easier to break than marriages, which is why when you boil water, you get steam H2O gas, not a pile of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Section 2, the big three. 1. London dispersion forces LDF. Electrons are constantly moving. For a split second, they might all end up on one side, creating a temporary dipole. It's weak, but it's all nonpolar molecules. Dipole-dipole interactions. This happens in polar molecules. One side is always slightly positive, the other is slightly negative. They line up like magnets, +2-. 3. Hydrogen bonding. This is just a very strong version of dipole-dipole. It only happens when hydrogen is bonded to nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine, NO, or F. It's why water has such a high boiling point. Section 3. Why does this matter? The stronger the glue, the harder it is to pull the molecules apart. Stronger IMFs mean higher boiling points, higher melting points, and higher surface tension. So the next time you see a water strider walking on a pond, thank hydrogen bonding for keeping that surface tough enough to stand on. Well, that wraps up our lesson for today. If you want to see more of my content, please consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next lesson.